Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having a blessed day today. Today I have this beautiful minty look using the Daisy Marquez palette from BhCosmetics. And if you own this palette or have looked at this palette and you've seen the minty shades, you cannot not do a look using the beautiful minty shades in this palette. So that's what we're doing today. I've already primed my lids with the Maybelline Master Prime Eye Primer, and I'm using AOA Studio Loose Powder to catch my fallout. So I'm just placing that under the eye. Now we're taking the BhCosmetics Daisy Marquez palette and we're picking up the shade Daisy. And I am using, this is just a matte minty shade, and I'm using that on a fluffy blending brush, and I'm going to sweep that into the crease with the windshield wiper motions, and we're just going to build that shade up. Now if this shade, it looks a little sheer, but if this shade was applied over top of like a tacky or sticky kind of base or a secondary base, it would be much more potent because it'd have something to grab onto. But we're just shearing that out in the crease using it as a transition. Next shade up is ChaChing, and it's the darkest green in the palette. Now this shade did take some time building up. I'm using that on like a pencil style kind of crease brush, and I'm using it on this dense brush because it will show up a lot better. I'll be able to pack shade on using this brush versus using a fluffy brush with this shade. When you play with a lot of eyeshadows, you just, learn certain things about different eyeshadows, and this is one of those. It's going to perform best when you are able to pack it on with a dense brush versus using this shade as on a fluffy brush, if that makes sense. So I'm putting that in the outer corner and bringing it slightly into the crease. And like I said, we will take a minute to actually really build this shade up because it swatches dark. It will apply dark, but where I'm using it, it just takes some time to build it up. And this is the WetnWild Photofocus concealer. And I placed that on the lid, blinked up, stamped it where the crease is going to be, and we're blending out with a brush and my finger to prevent any creasing. Next shade up is called Dream, beautiful shimmery teal shade, and I'm going to place that on my lid. Now I'm using a flat eyeshadow brush here, and I'm just going to press that and kind of drag it into that concealer that we placed. And here I'm not really going for a cut crease or even a half cut crease. It's just I needed to blank out my lid a little bit. So I've been loving this technique for that as well. And I do it all the time because I just love how it blanks out your lid. Like, I wish I'd have done this more in the past. So here we're just going to go through and you'll see me reapplying colors, re-blending things, since we added the lid shade. And I just think this look is absolutely stunning. This is the second time I wore this look. Once I wore it out and then I had to film it for you guys, so this is the second time. Now this is naked and we're using that as the brow bone highlight, and I'm taking that on a large eyeshadow brush and just buffing that in. And that's NYX Jumbo Pencil and Milk, and we already wiped away our fallout. There wasn't much fallout with this. Now, I put the NYX Jumbo Pencil in the inner corner as well, and that is Jordana's Black Point Pencil, eyeliner pencil, and in the waterline I am placing Daisy on top of NYX Pencil because I want a minty eyeliner. And then in the corner you're going to see me place Icey from the palette, and it is a very white, bright, vibrant, shimmery shade. And on the lower lash line I'm buffing in ChaChing and applying more Daisy in the waterline. If you've never done shadows on top of eyeliner or anything like that, I always say this little disclaimer in my videos: it may burn a bit, but it'll go away and it will last all day, and you'll have any kind of color shade eyeliner you want. Now that is Loreal Green Mascara, and for lips I'm using a Cherry Cherie Liquid Nude lipstick to pair with this look. And basically that is our finished look. I cannot tell you how much I love this look. It's so beautiful, and I know a lot of you love Mint too. It really came together, and I even love the green lashes. So I thank you guys so very much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos using Daisy Marquez eyeshadow palette. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already. Check the description box for additional links as well as the product list. Thank you again for watching.